In terms of, do I feel like I'm being lied to? Every single day.
One Winnipeg family says they were not allowed to visit their loved one here at Health Sciences Center because they were moved to a different room with an unvaccinated patient. Sabrina Foxworthy's sister was admitted to HSC at the beginning of July with life-threatening injuries. She was admitted to ICU, and after 2 weeks, she was moved to a step-down unit. Foxworthy says her sister was given her second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine as she only had her first dose. Once the 2 weeks passed, Foxworthy says her family was cleared to visit her sister in hospital, or so they thought.
My mom showed up for what she thought was going to be a visit, only to walk into the room and there was some stranger in my sister's bed. My sister had been moved. No one called. No one told us. That's problematic in the first place right there. So once my mom figured out where my sister was and finally tried to find it, because it was on the other side of HSC, huge complex, my mom got there and they were like, oh no, you can't visit her. And my mom's like, well, what do you mean? They said, well, she's currently in a room with an unvaccinated person.
Foxworthy says her mom would not leave without seeing her sister. She says the nurses eventually brought her out of the room and the visit occurred in the hallway. The next day, her sister was moved into a room with a vaccinated patient.
At any point, if operational requirements become an issue and they have someone who's unvaxxed and have absolutely nowhere else to put them in that unit, and they, the only bed is in the same area as my sister, which is a 4-person room, then the people in that room won't get visitors.
Foxworthy says she feels there's a major divide in society around the COVID-19 vaccine.
It's your fault. No, it's your fault. And instead of, they want us to point the fingers at each other as citizens, but we should all be pointing our fingers back at the government.
We reached out to both the province and the Winnipeg Regional Health Authority, but didn't receive a statement back. Foxworthy says she's fearful this situation will happen again.
Human contact and visits are crucial for her, especially when she's currently immobile, completely immobile.
In Winnipeg, Alex, Karpa City News.